This is Forex Insights with CIS Trading at THINKSCRIPT.com. In focus, Euro Australian dollar. In yesterday's trading session, we posted videos of a trade at the top of this move up. The peak high at 160.23, we took a short position on that trade right as it peaked to its peak high. And there's videos that go over how we made that trade and what the conditions were. So in the cards tab in the upper right hand corner, there's an icon there. If you'll click on that icon, there's a card that will pop up, has a link to that video, and you can watch that trade and look at the conditions when we made that trade. We had a second opportunity at it in the overnight, and I want to go over that trade with you very quickly. From the 160.20 down to the 159.50, 70 pips, very easy trade. Take a look at it at first on the 1 hour. When we look at the 1 hour chart, we really don't have any significant trade signals except for as we made this move back into this high, the potential of an arrowhead pattern to the short side, but we made a lower low there and then bounced back up. So there was nothing on this 1 hour to really give a clear signal except for the engulfing candle, which meant getting short all the way down at the 160, 14, 13 area. So let's take a look at the 3 minute, because this is what I want to show you on this trade. So when we look at the 3 minute chart, when we go all the way to that very peak, you can see right there at the top of head formation on that chart there, but that's not what we're looking at. What we're looking at is when we peaked up back into that 160.20 region where we shorted in the previous day's trading session, expecting that to be a potential top in that trade. We had the same occurrence of this diamond formation pattern, inside, outside, inside, at the very peak attempt at that peak high in that move. You can see that diamond pattern there. Here's what we play. When we go back through this, and you look right here at the 160.20 region, we had a bounce back up in what would have been the other shoulder of what it looks like a head and shoulders pattern. At the very peak high on that trade, inside, outside, inside, diamond reversal pattern at that high again, and then it broke down from there, short from 160.20 all the way down. And you can watch this trade on a 3 minute. It's a clean trade with that double dime pattern. When you look at the 1 hour, you can see how smooth that is. Right off that 1 hour chart. I wanted to go over that. That's something to watch when you're looking to get in at the very top of a move. Go through your time frames, 1 hour, down through your shorter time frames, all the way to the 1 minute, and look for those signs. All you need on those diamond patterns is any confirmation of a reversal in your momentum metrics. A couple other trades very quickly. US dollar Japanese yen trade. We took a long position at the 106.03 area, looking for a potential move all the way up to the 106.80. We have gotten out of that trade already, but there still is a potential upside there. US dollar Japanese yen, we have a diamond reversal at the bottom, momentum confirming that move, price action metric reversal. Watch that trade. Again, we were long from the 106.03. We have gotten out of that trade up in near the 106.30 area, and that is trading higher. So we gave up a little bit there, but still another opportunity to potentially get all the way up to that 106.80. That's another 40 pips from where they're trading now. Take a quick look at the US dollar Swiss franc trade. This was our pick as a low risk trade of the week. We had a diamond-like reversal pattern to the upside, US dollar Swiss franc, after this pullback. Momentum metrics kicked in with strength on that trade, and we had a price action reversal right here at the bottom of this down move, showing upside. All for one pattern. 1, 2, 3, fourth candle struck out the range of all three of the previous candles, all for one pattern to the upside. Looking for 95.95 on that trade. We were still holding long. Our long entry was at 95.30, so there was some room to even get in a whole lot lower than that. But we're long 95.30, looking for 95.95 US dollar Swiss franc. Trades to watch. This is Forex Insights with CIS Trading at THINKSCRIPT.com.